You want out, Mark?
Look out.
Turn it around so I love you English side is up.
Oh, by the time he gets to that point.
No.
Yeah, but you can still see
These
it.
won't be on Grand Haven Beach.
That's
that way.
Where the cops don't like us.
Wow. I'm helping you.
What's going on? All the neighbors are like, oh. What is that?
Just make sure it ain't got your
Don't
name
push
in
on
it.
that, baby.
Maya, do you want to ride?
It'll break. You can walk behind if you want, but don't push on that.
Maya, do you want to ride with Marky?
You want to ride?
He'll put you up in there if you want.
Yeah, the rails are wood.
Yeah.
What?
I said the rails are wood, so it won't hold them.
Sit on your bottom.
We need to get a
Looks
ride.
like we're up on Thursday.
It was almost going to land in the fire.
You want to ride, Brandon? You want to ride?
It's
Oh.
Oh yeah, I'm getting it all.
You'll edit it out later.
I hope not. This is hilarious.
Oh, now that doesn't look good when you're cheating like that.
Cheating, right?
Yeah, it's cheating. Hot air.
You want up in here?
Cheater. It's not hot enough yet, honey, because it keeps coming down.
There it goes.
Oh.
That's a no.
Okay.
You started fussing as soon as
We quit
feet
watching
touched
the
down.
other one. I don't see it now.
Ooh. It's way over there, Mom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can still see it. Hey, that one's going a different direction. That's fun.
It's following the same route the other one did.
Is it?
Yeah.
Gotta get in the
It's
wind current.
catching updraft from the valley.
Oh, that one's actually falling.
Yeah, you can still see that one.
It's falling.
At least that one didn't take as long. It doesn't look so bad, you know.
It is falling. Wonder whose dad is going to fall.
Did the other one fall?
Yeah, it was falling. That's why we thought
It's over
it was falling.
Coopersville.
I don't think it's that far.
So they're going to land on some cow. We ain't going to know what's going on. The sky's falling. The sky's falling.
No,
Brandon's
Val,
pushing.
that's the
He
chicken.
doesn't want in, but he'll push behind.